Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you stop eating for 16, 24, or even 72 hours? Most people are terrified of missing a meal. They think skipping breakfast makes you weak. They believe it ruins your metabolism. But modern science reveals a completely different reality. When you stop eating, your body does not shut down. It upgrades itself. It flips a hidden biological switch. This switch melts away fat. It repairs damaged DNA. It sharpens your mind. And it quite literally cleans out dead cells. Today, we are going to look deep inside your body. We will track exactly what happens, hour by hour, minute by minute. Welcome to the ultimate survival mechanism. But first, why does this happen? Think about our ancestors. Thousands of years ago, there were no grocery stores. There were no refrigerators. Humans did not eat 3 square meals a day, nor did they have snacks every 2 hours. Sometimes they went days without finding food. If fasting made them weak and tired, our species would have perished long ago. A tired, weak caveman cannot hunt. Instead, evolution gave us a superpower. When food runs out, the human body adapts. It becomes stronger. It becomes hyper-focused. Your senses sharpen. Your energy skyrockets. Your body becomes a highly efficient machine, perfectly built to survive. Yet today, we have lost this superpower. We eat constantly. We never let the internal factory rest. So, what happens when we finally turn the food off? The clock starts now. You have just swallowed your last bite of food. For the first few hours, your body is very busy. It is breaking down your meal. Your blood sugar goes up. In response, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Think of insulin as a master key. It opens your cells. The cells take in the sugar and use it for energy. But what about the extra sugar? What if you ate too much? Insulin takes that extra fuel and quietly locks it away as body fat for later. Right now, your body is in storage mode. It is comfortable. It is warm. It has plenty of easy energy. Your digestive system is working hard, and blood is flowing to your stomach. This is why you often feel quite sleepy after a heavy meal. Welcome to hour 8. Digestion is finally finishing up. The easy energy from your meal is completely gone. Your blood sugar drops. Your insulin levels drop with it. Now your body needs new fuel to keep your heart beating and your lungs breathing. So it goes to your liver. Your liver holds a small hidden backup supply of sugar. It is like an emergency battery. But by hour 12, this backup battery is almost empty. This is the hardest part. This is when you truly feel hungry. Your stomach growls loudly. You might feel tired. You might get a slight headache. You might lose your focus. Your body releases a powerful hunger hormone. It sends an urgent signal to your brain. Go find something sweet. Go find a meal. But here's a secret. You are not actually starving. Your stomach is not eating itself. Your body is simply throwing a tantrum. It is used to easy, continuous energy. It wants you to take the easy way out. If you ignore this hunger, your body is forced to make a major biological shift. Welcome to hour 16. The sugar is completely gone. The emergency battery is dead. Your body has no choice. It must open up your fat stores. For the first time all day, your liver takes your stored belly fat and turns it into pure energy. It creates special molecules called ketones. Ketones are a premium fuel. Your brain actually prefers them over sugar. When your mind runs on this fat fuel, the brain fog lifts. You feel a sudden burst of clean, stable energy. The hunger completely vanishes. You become a fat-burning furnace. But the real magic is just beginning. By hour 18, something incredible happens inside your cells. Your body realizes that no outside protein is coming, so it looks inside itself for spare parts. It starts a process called autophagy, a biological recycling program. Your cells act like microscopic cleaners. They search for old, damaged proteins. They even hunt down zombie cells. These are mutated cells that cause inflammation and aging. During autophagy, your body hunts these zombies down. It dissolves them, and it turns the biological garbage into fresh, new energy. Your body is literally eating its own waste to survive. It is the ultimate anti-aging secret. Now you cross the 24-hour mark. You might think your muscles will waste away, but the exact opposite happens. Your body releases a massive spike in growth hormone. This invisible shield protects your muscles and preserves your strength. At the same time, your mind becomes sharper than ever before. And what if you push to 48 or 72 hours? The body performs a total system reboot. It destroys your oldest, weakest immune cells to save power. It clears out the broken army. When you finally break your fast and eat, a powerful signal is sent. Your stem cells wake up. They build a brand new immune system from scratch. Extreme fasting is not for everyone. But giving your digestion a break for just 12 or 16 hours a day is incredibly powerful. Sometimes the best medicine you can give your body is nothing at all. Did you enjoy this journey inside the human body? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Medical Files. See you in the next investigation. Stay healthy.